Hello, and welcome to Capital Investments. In this video, we will be discussing investments that are recession-proof. As an investor, it is important to have a diversified portfolio that can withstand economic downturns. During a recession, many investors panic and sell off their investments, causing a market crash. However, there are certain investments that can survive economic downturns and even thrive during a recession. We will be discussing some of these investments in this video. 1. Gold and precious metals. Gold is considered to be a safe haven asset during times of economic uncertainty. It has been used as a store of value for centuries and is still highly valued today. During a recession, the value of paper currency decreases, and investors turn to gold and other precious metals as a hedge against inflation and a way to protect their assets. The price of gold typically rises during a recession, making it a good investment option during a downturn. Investors can invest in gold through various means, such as purchasing physical gold bullion, investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track the price of gold, or investing in mining companies that produce gold. However, it's important to note that gold is not a perfect investment, and its price can be influenced by factors such as supply and demand, geopolitical events, and changes in interest rates. 2. Utilities. Utilities are companies that provide essential services such as electricity, gas, and water. These services are considered to be necessary regardless of the economic situation, making utility companies relatively recession-proof. During a recession, consumers may cut back on luxury goods, but they will still need basic services such as electricity and water. Therefore, investing in utility companies can be a good option for investors looking for stability. Utility companies can provide investors with steady dividends and have historically performed well during economic downturns. However, it's important to note that utility companies can also be affected by regulatory changes in competition, so investors should conduct proper research before investing in any utility companies. 3. Healthcare. Healthcare is another sector that is relatively immune to economic downturns. Regardless of the economic situation, people still need medical attention, and healthcare providers will continue to provide their services. Therefore, investing in healthcare companies can be a good option for investors looking for stability during a recession. The healthcare sector includes companies involved in pharmaceuticals, medical devices, hospitals, and health insurance. Healthcare companies can provide investors with a steady stream of income through dividends and have historically performed well during economic downturns. However, it's important to note that healthcare companies can also be affected by changes in regulations and lawsuits, so investors should conduct proper research before investing in any healthcare companies. 4. Consumer staples. Consumer staples are products that people need regardless of the economic situation. These products include food, beverages, and household goods. During a recession, consumers may cut back on luxury items, but they will still need basic necessities such as food and toiletries. Therefore, investing in consumer staples can be a good option for investors looking for stability during a recession. Consumer staples companies can provide investors with steady dividends and have historically performed well during economic downturns. However, it's important to note that consumer staples companies can also be affected by changes in consumer preferences and competition, so investors should conduct proper research before investing in any consumer staples companies. 5. Real estate. Real estate is considered to be a good investment option during a recession, especially for investors who are looking for long-term investments. During a recession, property prices may decrease, making it a good time to invest in real estate. Additionally, rental properties can provide a steady stream of income, making it a good option for investors looking for stability. Investors can invest in real estate through various means, such as purchasing rental properties, investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or investing in real estate mutual funds. However, it's important to note that real estate can also be affected by changes in interest rates and economic factors, so investors should conduct proper research before investing in any real estate investments. 6. Government bonds. Investing in government bonds can be a safe option during a recession as governments have a low chance of defaulting on their debts. Government bonds are considered to be among the safest investments as they are backed by the full faith and credit of the government. The interest rate on government bonds can be lower than other types of bonds, but they can still provide a steady stream of income. Additionally, they can be a good option for investors who want to preserve capital and avoid risk during an economic downturn. 7. Cash and cash equivalents. Holding cash or cash equivalents such as high-yield savings accounts, money market funds, or treasury bills can provide stability during a recession. While cash may not earn as much interest as other investments, it can provide a safe haven for investors during times of economic uncertainty. Cash and cash equivalents can be a good option for investors who are risk-averse and want to preserve their capital. 8. Discount retailers. Discount retailers such as Walmart or Dollar General have historically performed well during economic downturns. During a recession, consumers may look for lower-priced options, and discount retailers can provide an affordable alternative to more expensive options. These companies can provide steady returns to investors as they continue to attract customers looking to save money. 9. Food producers. Food is a basic necessity that people need regardless of the economic situation. Investing in food producers such as Nestle or Kraft Heinz can provide stability during a recession as people will continue to purchase food products. These companies can provide steady returns to investors as they continue to produce and distribute food products. 10. Renewable energy. Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power are becoming increasingly popular and have the potential to provide steady returns during a recession. As more countries move towards sustainable energy, investing in renewable energy companies can be a good long-term investment. These companies can provide steady returns to investors as they continue to expand their operations and attract customers looking for sustainable energy options. 11. Education. Education is another sector that is relatively immune to economic downturns. People will continue to seek out education and training regardless of the economic situation. Investing in education companies such as Pearson or Chegg can provide stability during a recession. These companies can provide steady returns to investors as they continue to offer educational products and services. 12. Telecom. Telecommunication companies such as Verizon or AT&T provide essential services that people will continue to use regardless of the economic situation. These companies can provide steady dividends and have historically performed well during economic downturns. As more people rely on their mobile devices for communication, investing in telecom companies can be a good long-term investment. 13. Defense. Defense companies such as Lockheed Martin or Raytheon provide products and services that are necessary for national security. These companies can provide stability during a recession as governments will continue to invest in defense products and services. Additionally, defense companies may benefit from increased government spending during times of economic uncertainty. 14. Waste management. Waste management companies such as Waste Management Inc. or Republic Services Inc. provide essential services that people will continue to use regardless of the economic situation. These companies can provide stability during a recession as people will still produce waste that needs to be disposed of. Additionally, waste management companies may benefit from increased government spending on infrastructure projects during times of economic uncertainty. 15. Water utilities. Water utilities such as American Water Works or Aqua America provide essential services that people will continue to use regardless of the economic situation. These companies can provide stability during a recession as people will still need access to clean water. Additionally, water utilities may benefit from increased government spending on infrastructure projects during times of economic uncertainty. In conclusion, investing in recession-proof assets can provide stability and protection for your portfolio during an economic downturn. By investing in gold and precious metals, utilities, healthcare, consumer staples, real estate, and more, investors can diversify their portfolio and potentially mitigate risk during a recession. As always, it's important to do your research, have a long-term investment horizon, and consider working with a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your unique financial situation. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to Capital Investments for more investment insights and tips. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.